Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Google Play Store account region. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our Play Store settings. Basically to do so, you will need just to click on your Play Store from your Android phone. So basically you click on Play Store and after that we need just to go to our account settings. And basically, we need just to wait for the app to launch, and here we will find our account profile or profile picture. We click on the profile picture, then we go to the settings, and from here we will be able to choose what we want. And here in general, we can see that there is a section about account preferences, and here there are other network preferences. What we are interested in is the general settings where we can change our preferences. So from here, we can see the Google Play instance, etc. And now we need just to go here to account, the country and history. And basically, we need just to change the country. And now we need just to go to country and profile. And if you should change play country only when you move to a new country. And basically, we can just do that by changing. And as you can see, you may see content relevant to general area you are based on your IP address. So basically, all we need to do is to change our IP address or just to connect to some foreign IP address. And to do so, you will need just to have some kind of VPN. There is a free VPN app that you can try is Proton VPN. So we go back to our Play Store and search for Proton VPN, and then you will need just to change your country or just your country IP country or region, and then you will be able to change your region on your settings from the Google settings from the devices and preferences. So you will just come here to account devices and you will be able to add another country here if you change your VPN or IP address. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.